All right, guys, Karl-Bohemian Nomad, just coming to you from, oh, that's my address. I'll talk about it later. There's some scooters for Timmy. Here's how safe Timmy's tin can is, in case you wanted to know. Yeah, big old tin can. Yep, he's got a tin can, and here we go. We're going to the
All right,
show.
dudes. Unboxing video. Got the knife. I know how you guys all love unboxing videos. I'm Brian Kohlberger. Too soon. Too soon. Can't let you see this side. That's got the name and address on it. Yeah. Can't be doxing people. That's just like the #1 thing not to do. I dox myself. There's my P.O. box. He wanted to send me something, but don't. I mean, if it's like a little trinket or something, that's cool, but nothing valuable. Oh, bubble wrap. The lady loves bubble wrap. Yep, bubble. There we go. The lady would love that. Speculation sports. Woo! You get apple stickers, don't stick them in there. All right, and then the t-shirt. Woo! All right, I'm gonna go walk in the woods, so I'll put the shirt on and we'll get to it. Yep, thank you, Capote. Yeah, just making sure I got clothes. Another t-shirt for the collection, and I still got the hat. Woo! Yep. All right, let's get to it, dudes. Let's go. I don't know. Did I do that wrong? I don't know. We'll see. Bye. All right, guys. I think I'm recording. I don't know. Can you see me? See my shirt? I don't think this mic works. So I got an external mic for a closed mic, but I'm just trying out the new DJI because I'm on vacation. I said I would get all this stuff. I'd get all this stuff learned. Speculation sports. We speculate, you speculate, we win, or we speculate, you win. Something like that. I can't read it. It's on my back. Yep. So everything's cool. Didn't get to see Earl today. He wasn't working. Anyway, let's see. I'm supposed to hit this 3 times and it'll go forward. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Nope. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Maybe it's this top one. No, I'm pretty sure it's this bottom one. Anyway, that's how it goes. Person jogging up there, coming at us. Yep. So, anyway, it's kind of goofy. So, we worked today, put in some, I don't know, like 195 today. Started at 8:30, I was done before 5, and I pulled off in the middle of the morning to have lunch with my wife and the 2 grandkids. So I don't know what that comes out to. I think if I really did it serious, you know, because you work an 8-hour day, and then if you work an 8-hour day, you know, you got to wake up and get ready, and you got to go there, and then you got to get off work, get your stuff together, and go home. So that's like an hour on each end. So that's 10 hours. But see, if you do Spark, you just sit in your living room and you just turn it on, and then boom, you get your order and you leave from the house. And then if you plan it right, you know what's what. You can get to where you can finish work and you're within like 5 miles of your house. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure if I worked it hard and I tried to suck every dollar out of it, I could probably make 240, 250 in a 10-hour period in a day. But I don't want to do that. I'm just having fun, and I don't need money that bad. So I don't know. So anyway, I got that going on. Ooh, they got a little soccer field in their house. I don't know if you can see it through there. Ooh, playing soccer at home. The richy rich kids that get to live on the trail. So that's how that went. Yesterday, I think it was over 200 miles. I'll get the figures for you tonight once I figure out how to get this all done. Let me look with my eyes. Yeah, we're at like 3 minutes. And anyway, Dinger got Dinger. See, that's the problem with watching Sarasota Tim every day, is he drags you down in his minutia and his bullshit. You got to get away from it. If you want, when I come back, if you want a vacation, just let me know. I'll give you a vacation if you want. Yeah, Timmy's a bad luck charm. He brings you bad luck. He's an omen. I think he's the devil. I think we should look at his head, see if he's got 666 there. Yeah, because since I let go of Timmy, life has been better. Me and the old Timster broke up. You know, the old Timboree. Yeah. Here comes the dude running. Yeah. So, got to get his run on. Yep. I don't have to run. Well, I don't know. Maybe I should run. I don't know. Who knows? Who cares? Yep. So anyway, the new tires are working out great. I love it. Yep. All sorts of weird people out here. I'm one of them. Long hair. Look, see, I got Speculation Sports. Yep. So, I don't know if there's wind noise or whatever, because this stupid mic don't work. Yeah. But, I'll figure it out. I got a wired lavalier I can plug into this dude. I don't know, these wired mics, the wireless mics seem to be hit and miss, and they seem to be a big pain in the butt versus other mics. I don't know. This Capote uses a wired lavalier. It works just fine. Hey, it's Mr. William Rutherford that helped us get this Rock Island Trail. I don't know if you can see it right there. He's also the dude, he had a ton of money. He's also the dude that got us Wildlife Prairie Park. I'm going to have to take you out there, show you the buffalo. Yeah. Got a park with a bunch of buffalo and a bunch of different animals. And they got a little train that you can ride. So I do that. And then someone was telling me one thing, the Caterpillar Visitor Center. Never been, always want to go. It's one of those things where you live here, so you can always go and then you never do. It's just like my oldest sister lives up in Chicago, and we were going to downtown Chicago more than she was. Because you live there, you can always go, but you never do. Anyway, back here at the car, we'll cut this one off. We'll come back later and tell you how everything went down. Yeah. Yep. Let's get in the car to see what it sounds like in the car. Yeah, let's get in here. Ooh. All right, we's in the car. I don't know how we set this up. We have to get it on a tripod, I suppose. Can you hear me? Yep. Woo! All right. We'll see you later on tonight. I'll figure things out and let you know what happened. All right. Bye.